Guys, pay real close attention to my screen right now. What I'm about to show you right now is going to blow your mind away. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open up Safari on my iPhone. Now, you've seen this before, right? Whenever you go to any big website, it's going to pop up this little message on the top. It's called SmartAppBanner. It's going to prompt you to download their application. Now, CNN does it, HuffPost does it, Washington Post does it, all big websites, even Reddit does it as well. Now, these are great, right? These are great. Now, the only problem with these are the fact that, again, you have to install them manually. It's all coding. Now, number two, you cannot change the icon. You cannot change the title. You cannot change the description. You cannot even change the call to action button. Now, I don't like this. Now, what we came up with is actually really cool. Now, it's called Smart App Banners Pro version. Now, take a look at this. Now, I'm just giving you an example. Now, with this, you can actually change the icon, you can change the title, and you can change the description. You can even change this call to action button, and they will actually change based on what device is the user using. So, for example, if a user is using iPhone, you can actually change what link actually goes when people click this buy button, right? Now, if I'm using Android, I can even go ahead and change what will appear if they're using Android. So I'm going to go ahead and load that screen back up. Now, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and show you another one. Take a look. You can actually modify pretty much everything that you know about Smart App Banners with our product. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you on my screen right now. Okay, I'm going to go to my dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on widgets. I'm going to go ahead and click on add a widget. I'm going to go ahead and give it a name, any name you want. I'm going to call it new banner 123. It's internal name just for you. Once you go ahead and give that a name, you're going to go ahead and give it a title. So I'm going to call it awesome new application. I'm going to go ahead and put my website here, wherever I'm going to host it. I'm going to go ahead and put a URL. If people, where will people go when they use Android for this application? I'm going to go ahead and put in Google for this. I'm going to go ahead and put Apple for this, and I'm also going to go ahead and put in Windows.com for this. So you can basically change the URL. So for example, if a user is using Windows mobile device, it will actually take people to this link instead of the other ones. Got it? Now, on here, I'm going to give it a description. I'm going to call it number one marketing app. I don't know, right? Whatever I want. And this is your call to action button. I'm going to call it, I don't know, view app or buy now, or I don't know, guys. It's up to you. I'm going to call it view app for this time. I'm going to call it view app. You can even go ahead and upload an icon. I'm going to go ahead and upload an icon right here, a random one, and let me just find one right there. Very simple. Now, you can even go ahead and set up. So, for example, if someone wants to, let me go and show you one more time. I'm going to go and open it up. Now, if someone wants to close this application by clicking this X, right? Now, if someone closes it, what do you want it to happen? Now, what you can do is you can be like, okay, if someone closes it, I don't want them seeing that banner for 5 days. If you want to, right? Now, another example is, let me go and open this one up right here. Now, the second one is, let's say someone actually clicks on this buy this now button, right? If someone clicks on it, do you still want to show them that the banner? Now, if I put 0, it'll still show it. Now, if I put 2 here, 2 days, it won't show the banner for at least minimum 2 days, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put zeros on both of them. Very simple. I'm going to go ahead and click Save Widget. And guess what? You're done. I don't even need to create tutorials for this this application because I already showed you everything, guys. Now, all you do is after you have it, you can preview it right here. That's a preview, right? Keep in mind this only works on mobile device, okay? That's the idea. All you have to do is click on this little code. Now, this is a code, right? All you have to do is just copy it. Copy. Now, you can even paste it on your HTML site, WordPress, Instapage, wherever you want. Doesn't really matter. Just go and paste it on a header and you're good to go. And I'll go over this on the tutorial as well. Now, that's it, guys. I'm going to go and show you these applications one more time. So that's the banner right there on the top, right? It works on iOS device, mobile devices, Android mobile devices, and Windows mobile devices. Now again, you can actually change where that link goes when people click on that call to action button, depending on what you put on the widget. Cool? See, I'm gonna go ahead and load this one more time. I put 0, right? So look, it shows up, right? If I put 0, it's gonna show up. So these are the applications, and I want you to grab this right now while the price is low. Thank you.